Why does my HVAC system seem quieter after replacing the filter? A new filter can improve airflow, reduce strain on the blower, and make the system run more quietly. When a filter becomes clogged with dust, hair, and other particles, air has a harder time passing through it. Your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system then has to work harder to move the same amount of air. That extra effort can make the blower sound louder, and it may also cause whistling, rattling, or rushing noises near the filter. A clean filter allows air to pass through more smoothly, so the blower does not need to struggle as much. Better airflow can also reduce vibration in the ducts and prevent the system from turning on and off too often. One lesser-known detail is that a very dirty filter can make the indoor coil get too cold, which may lead to ice and restrict airflow even more. To keep the improvement, check the filter about once a month and replace it when it looks gray, packed with dust, or difficult to see through. Always install the correct size and place the airflow arrow in the direction that air moves toward the furnace or air handler. One common mistake is choosing the thickest or most expensive filter without checking whether the system can handle it, so use the size and filtration rating recommended by the equipment maker. Another mistake is installing the filter backward, which can restrict airflow and reduce its ability to protect the system, so follow the arrow printed on its edge. Also, do not assume quiet always means healthy, because a failing motor or a weak airflow problem can sometimes make a system unusually quiet. If rooms feel warmer or cooler than usual, have a qualified technician inspect it. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.